What's up guys, this is VoiceBread66 aka CSIMC, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a weird distorted screen. So what you want to do is you pull 9 with 9, comma square 2, and then uns, spam this button to the power of, then fill all of them with uns until you get to the second last one, then divide uns plus, remove the plus, equals AC up, AC left. So you remove the dots, then you replace it 47 with 38. Then what you want to do is you want to press 339910, just spam it all the way to the end. Then once you're done, press equals, and there you go. And it's gonna turn off itself. And yeah, that's it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.